Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will do lesson 12 of English grammar class 5. Come to page 40. We will do possessive adjectives. As adjectives are the words which glorifies or explain or enhances the meaning of a noun. If we say he is wearing a red shirt, so shirt is noun and red is adjective, and this adjective enhances the meaning of a noun. But if we have an example, like we have in our book, that this is his shop. In this example, shop is noun and his is possessive adjective, and it is showing the possession. So possessive adjectives shows ownership or possession, or in other words we can say that possessive adjectives show who owns or possessive the nouns. For example, we have an other example. This is her cottage. Cottage is noun and her is possessive adjective. Her is showing the possession, so this is possessive adjective. So we can say that they show the ownership of something, and they are normally placed before a noun or a pronoun. And most commonly used possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, our, its, and their. Now come to the practice. We will do some here. Some examples are given. You have to underline the possessive adjectives. Our house is located far away. Here R is possessive adjective. They have called a mechanic to repair their television. So there is possessive adjective and television is noun. He was able to defeat his opponent easily. So his is possessive adjective. In next one, the river overflowed its banks after the heavy rains. Your car is blocking the entry. In this practice, you have to insert suitable possessive adjectives in the blanks. And I have filled it up for you. You have to write down it in your books. The secret agent was looking out for his whereabouts. Our house needs repairs, so we have called in a mason. We are planning to go for our village during the holiday. The school debating team gave up their plans. In this way, you can complete the rest of one or two sentences. Come to next one. We have to complete the sentence by using ordinary adjective and possessive adjective. In this practice, we have to give two things. One, main object adjective and possessive adjective. For example, we can read example here. Scotland is known for its beautiful scenery. Here it is possessive noun and possessive adjective, and it is noun, and beautiful is adjective. So in this example we can see that Scotland is known for its beautiful scenery. Scenery is noun, beautiful is adjective, and its is possessive adjective. He could not sleep the whole night because of his painful cough. It is possessive adjective, and painful is simple adjective, and cough is noun. She has taken my blue scarf. He has kept the papers in his big cupboard. Come and take my secret book. He likes to stay in five-star hotels because he likes eats delicious meals. Fill in the blanks with its or its. Here at the bottom, it is clearly shown that its means belonging, and the word It's, which is shown with apostrophe s, it means it is. It is contracted form of it is. So you have to fill it up in the blanks in the same way. The river overflowed its banks. It's a pretty little cottage. We have to use it with apostrophe s. It's color, sorry, it's colder out there. And in the same way you have to fill the rest of the sentences. Here you have to fill up the blanks with possessive adjectives. Friends, a lot of VIP will be visiting us during the games. Our company has been given the contract for security duties. This is not going to be easy. You will all have to be alert throughout. Gray. Gate number 4 will be your post. Maurice, the VIPs can be little difficult to handle because they are in the habit of bringing their friends and relations along. You will have to be tactful and polite all the time. You can't afford to lose your temper. James, you and Samuel will be in the camera room monitoring the movement of your men. I want to ensure that each one is doing its duty properly. Ronnie and Benji will be taking care of guests in Cloyer. Their duty will be quite strenuous. So, students, you have to learn the lesson again and again, and you have to fill all these blanks in your book. Thank you.